Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best banana bread. If this is your first time trying this recipe, please go ahead and do so because it is so simple, very delicious, soft, and your family will be pleased. We are in the fall and I really want to share this delicious bread with you. So please come and let's get started. First of all, I have my baking pan ready and I'm going to grease it with some butter. This way it's going to help the bread soften up and it will come out very easily. My pan is non-stick, but I still want to make sure that I don't get this bread all over the place. So go ahead and grease it. So next I have here a clean bowl and I'm using ripe banana. You can use 4 or 5, depending on your choice. But with this recipe, we're just going to use only 3. The right, the best, okay? Yeah, so after you peel off the skin, go ahead and then smash it. So you're going to make it like a puree consistency. That is how we want it. So that way it will bake into perfection. And like I said, if this is your first time trying this banana bread, go ahead and do so because this is so delicious. Very easy as well. Yeah. So next, we're going to set it aside for now because it is done. Alright friends, so you can tell it was so easy, right? So after that, go ahead and leave it aside. So in a clean bowl, go ahead and add about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can add any flour of your choice, but all-purpose flour is the best, okay? So next I have here some baking soda, salt, cinnamon. I really love the flavor of cinnamon. Also, I have here some pumpkin spices. Yeah, I really love pumpkin spice. It smells so good and it tastes really delicious when you use it for banana bread as well. So after that, we're going to mix everything really well, and from this we're going to leave it aside. And I remember whenever I go to buy some banana bread from Starbucks, I noticed they add some pecans. So I'm going to add pecan nuts, or you can add any preferred nuts of your choice. But I really love these pecans. It's like my favorite when it comes to banana bread. So I'm going to add just a half cup in there. But we have to smash this into small pieces. If you have food processor, you can use it, but at this moment I don't want to use the food processor because it's just a small quantity. Also, this way really helps because if you don't have the food processor, you can follow these steps and do it in the authentic way. You can easily buy this pecan from any market, okay? So I have here my banana ready and I'm gonna add some eggs. Because of the amount that we're making, so 2 eggs will be just perfect. So let's go ahead and add some flavor. So I'm adding here vanilla extract, but if you don't have it, you can add any flavor of your choice. So go ahead and mix them really well. Make sure that everything is nice and well combined together. That's how you want it, everything to look really nice and perfect. So next I have here about a cup of melted butter. If you don't have butter, you can use margarine, but I prefer that you can get butter. If you are in Ghana, you can get butter from, most of the grocery stores because they sell it everywhere these days. Yeah, so next I'm going to add here condensed milk. So friends, I'm going to recommend that you don't add any extra sugar because the condensed milk is very sweet and banana also is sweet enough. So don't add any sugar unless you want it to become very sweet, then you can add maybe a half cup of sugar. So next we have our wet ingredients ready. Go ahead and combine them with the dry and then mix them really well. I'm telling you friends, you have tried banana bread, but OBAAPA'S kitchen or OBAAPA'S recipe banana bread with dear, you have to try. This is a must try recipe and casa. Trust me, this bread is gonna bake into perfection. You're gonna love it. Your family will be really pleased. So after I mix them, I'm gonna add some pecans in there. Yeah, this is just to get the extra crunchiness, from the nuts. I really love these pecans. And also friends, this is so healthy for you. You can get some from any supermarket or grocery shop. Just go and ask for pecans and they will, easily find it for you. So next we have here the baking tray. So we're going to transfer the butter into our pan because we're going to get it ready to bake. It is almost done though. You see, the sweat of your hard work is going to pay off very soon, and that is how you want it. There's nothing better than making your own delicious homemade banana bread. So I'm going to add the remaining pecans on top of this bread. Papa B. And this is how we want it. So next I have my stove just turned on, and I'm going to bake this bread and kasa. The smell from the spices and everything, it's just making it look so amazing. It smells really nice. So it has been 1 hour so far, so I'm just gonna add extra butter for extra softness. Yeah, this is so perfect. I really love it. So we're gonna let it bake another extra 10 minutes, and oh la la, as you can see, it is ready. It's looking really nice, beautiful, perfect, delicious. Oh, me say bread idiot. In fact, you have to try ankasa. I bake it into like the best of the best. Okay, this is how we want our bread, so you can enjoy with any soft drink or any porridge on the side. And if you have peanuts, you can just enjoy this with it. You see how soft it is, fluffy. Oh, Missy Minia, you have to try this recipe. So thank you so much for watching. This is how I make my banana bread, and give it a try. Let me know how yours turn out. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day. Bye bye.